this beautiful project, I'll be needing a tape, a stitch marker, a tension ring if needed, a 3mm hook, a cutter, and a yarn. If you don't know how to do slip knot, this is how you do it, okay? You put this is the most easiest way to do a slip knot for me. I don't know, you can try other methods as well. Then you pull the main one to the size of your hook. It's a little bit difficult because I'm sewing from the camera. Okay, then you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you're going to do double crochet and insert it in the very first one, this first chain. You're going to insert it there. Okay. Now you have 3. You're going to pull 2. And you're going to pull 2 again. You're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. You turn your work, and you're going to insert it in the middle. There's a hole in the middle. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there. In this hole, you insert it. There again. So we are doing the double crochet and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn your work, double crochet in the middle. You do the same thing. 1, 2, 3. Turn your work, double crochet in the middle. You do the same thing. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Turn your work, double crochet in the middle. You do the same thing. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it till you have your desired length. I'm going to put the length for the various 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put the length for the various sizes in front of the screen. Okay, so see you at the end, then I'll tell you what to do next. So guys, we are almost at the end. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn your work, double crochet, pull 2, and pull 2. Okay, slip 2. So now we are going to measure. I'm doing size M, which should be 13 inches. So as you can see, it is 30 inches for size medium. So okay, when you are at this end, you're going to chain 2. 1, 2. At each of these loops, you're going to do double crochet 2 times. Okay, so we are going to be making the V stitch here. So here you're going to do 2, 2. So we'll start with this first one. You do your double crochet, you pull 2, pull 2. You're going to chain 1, another double crochet in the same loop, pull 2, pull 2. Now we move to the second loop, another double crochet, one chain, another double crochet, next loop, another double crochet, one chain, another double crochet. So this is called a V stitch. So we are going to do this stitch till the end of this work. So I do it one more time for you to see. 12 double crochet, one chain, double crochet. The last time, double crochet, 1 chain, double crochet. So this is how it looks like. You're seeing the V. So see you at the end of this, when we are at this tail end. Now we are at the end, so you do a double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet in the same loop. Here we have a single chain here, so we are going to do a double crochet here 1 time, chain 2, 1, 2, turn your work. So where we have these V stitches here where we did the 1 chain, we are going to do another double crochet 2 times in each V stitches, as you can see, or you can see it clearly. So this one is not having, the first one here is not having V stitch, the V stitch is here. So double crochet, chain, another double crochet. This is not having V stitch, this is having V stitch, as you can see. Remove them, chain 1, in the same loop we do the same thing. This is not having and this is having, so we move to the V stitch. So we are going to repeat this to the last V stitch, and I'll tell you what to do next. I'll do it one more time. So you skip this one because it's not a V stitch and move to this one that is a V stitch, and chain 1. Each place that you did the chain, that's where you have the V stitch. So see you to the end. We are at the end of our work, so we're going to do our last V stitch here. Chain 1, another double crochet in the same loop on the same V stitch, and here you see you're going to do your double crochet here at the end. Okay, that's it. Then you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, you turn your work, you look for another V. This one no, this one yes, it's a V stitch there. One chain in the same V stitch. So you're going to repeat the same process to when you have your desired length. When you have your desired length, that's when you stop. Okay, so see you at the end. Okay guys, this is the last row and we are at the end of it. So you take your next V stitch, you do your double crochet, you chain 1 in the same loop, reset, do your double crochet again, then you move to the next V stitch, which is here, chain the same loop. Okay, then the last double crochet stitch, which is here, reset, and we are done. Now we have to slip this. We need to get our thread and we slip it out. So the width is actually 8 inch, as you can see it is 8 inch. So now we are going to do the stripe. Okay, so we are going to do our slip knot the way I showed you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you double crochet and chain the first insert to the first chain. We double crochet like this, chain 2 and chain 3, 1, 2, 3. You do your double crochet in the middle of this, you insert there. So you're going to do your stripe as long as you want. I don't know your desired length, so you are going to do it to your desired length that you want to have on your stripe. Okay, see you at the end and I'll tell you what to do next. So guys, my stripe is ready already. So yeah, I'm going to cut this off and I'm going to slip it out. It is about 40 inches. Okay, so what you're going to do, you take your needle or your hook, you insert it and you try to pull it through. So we're going to put it here. Can you see these holes? Yeah, we're going to put it back. Okay, if you have a needle, it's easier. You don't have to go through any stress to do this. So if you had a hook, you just pass it through these holes the same way I'm doing. You take it out, you connect the other one, the other side. Okay, this one is done, as you can see. So from here you connect like this. Okay, as you can see, this is it here, only that pull. So now we connect this one from this way. They are interconnected. So we take the next one as well. So you take your time to pull it out so you don't rip it. I'm sorry that my voice is kind of low here. I'm actually doing this video at 2 a.m. so you can imagine. So you take it out. This is the final result, and I made these 2 extra stripes so you can style it in other method. Hope you love it. I'll be showing you how you can style it differently. Guys, these are the 10 ways you can actually style these crochet tops, and if you are more creative, there are other ways that you can actually style it, but you just need to play along it. So that's just it. I hope you love it. Please subscribe.